Hello, my name is Somers Daniela Polania Rueda. Over for people visited of library last month. Excuse me. Over 400 people visited of library last month. Last month. Staff of the sport center are not available between 3 and 4 p.m. Candidates Candidates shall select one question only from each topic area. A new students have to register with Mr. Class by the end of Friday. Provided that all equipment has been collected and stored, students may leave the classroom. What types of company do the majority of its students work in after finishing their degree? Despite some initial misgivings, the new laboratory has proved itself to be an excellent facility. Environmentalists agree that the continuing use of private vehicles will result in worsening air pollution. Thank you very much.